Okay folks, so what you just saw me do there was put a bottom shelf on my bench top there so that we can put some light duty stuff on. It's just a little bit of plywood with scrap, picked it up for nothing, so that forms the bottom shelf. Now we can put light objects on that. And I've just put a little kind of a wooden bar kind of a thing across the back, and what I'm going to do with that is I'm going to slot in there small things like chisels and you know, punches and all that kind of stuff, and I'll have them sort of standing upright like that so I can see what they are. I can just grab them out and use them whenever I want. There's also a gap at the bottom. I've put that there deliberately so that if any soot or bits of scale or anything else start to get jammed up in there, I can just get a brush in there and I can just brush it all out, you know, and sort of clean up the place a little bit. So I'll just give you a quick look at that now. Ready to go. Here we go, let's have a look.
She got a sexy little waist, she moved them hips with her done-up hair and the glossy lips. She ain't riding nothing but first-class whips, high heels on, taking champagne sips. But she can get dudes and she can get chicks. She can throw it down like a porno flick. She's a bad girl, bad girl.
just to the bottom lip of there. From the bottom lip of there, that lip there, to just above that lip there. Cut that out, up, across, so that it's about 400 wide. Cut that wide there like that. No, then out there to there. So. There. That's almost the size of the entire inside of the drum. Cool. So we can cut a plate 440 millimeters, and it will sit in the bottom, and that will support the fire pot that we're going to put in there. So we're going to cut a 400 millimeter square, a 440, which is 16, so it's almost 18 inches square. Then we're going to cut a 6-inch square hole in the middle of that. That's where the hearth pot's going to drop through. Then we'll bolt the whole thing in and we'll be good to go. Awesome! Drop you on roughly central, mark it like that, and then cut that bit out, and then it'll be right on top. Cool. Then what we can do is drill it, and we can either bolt it, probably bolt it anyway. Bolt the bugger in. We'll have a 6-inch square in the middle. Okay folks, this is going to be the hearth plate for my forge. It's 6mm thick, that's 1/4 inch. It's 20 inches, 500mm square. It's going to fit inside that drum. Inside the middle of it there, I've cut a 6-inch by 6-inch hole. That's 150mm by 150mm. And my hearth pot is going to go in there. As I said before, this is going to go inside that drum and form the base. So it's got to be thick like this, otherwise it will just, my fire will just burn a hole through the bottom of the drum. So I'll show you a bit of that now.